Springdale Tower, Cessna 7569 Golf is at the west ramp with the weather, ready to taxi to get flight following out to Fort Smith.
Strike 7569 Golf, Springdale Tower, runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
18 via Alpha, 7569 Golf.
Cessna 69 Golf, departure frequency 126.6 and squawk 4371.
Departure on 126.6 and squawk 4371 for 7569 Golf.
It was good to hear you request weather Zulu, Xander.
You need to turn around.
It's an inside joke, Brett. Sorry.
Oh, I was about to say, I didn't catch that one.
And abort plan ready. Okay, so if we have to abort the takeoff because of our engine instruments aren't in the green, our airspeed doesn't come alive, there's something on the runway that's preventing us from taking off, we're going to pull power, stop on the runway. We have to abort after takeoff, below 1,000, we're going to pick a point off the nose and land straight ahead. If we have to abort above 1,000, we're going to turn around and try to make 3-6.
Okay, I like it.
Alright. Springdale Tower, Cessna 7569 Golf is holding short of 18, ready for takeoff.
Tailwind on the way back. It's going to take us an hour and 6 minutes.
69 Golf, runway 18, clear for takeoff, winds 2407.
Clear for takeoff, 18, 7569 Golf.
126.6 and 5520, 7316, Quebec.
Springdale Tower 15 Golf, holding short runway 18, ready for takeoff.
Engines in the green. Airspeed's alive.
And Cessna 15 Golf, roger, runway 18, clear for takeoff, make left traffic, wind 2305, gust 11.
Lower that nose.
18, clear for takeoff, 15 Golf. That's 69 to Quebec, contact departure, we'll see you on the way back. I'm sorry, 69 Golf.
Contact departure, 7569 Golf. Razorback departure, Cessna 7569 Golf, just out of Springdale, 1900.
7569 Golf, Razorback departure radar contact, doing navigation to Fort Smith.
Oh, nav to Fort Smith, 7569 Golf.
Beautiful.
Here we go.
All right, let's follow that heading bug, see what that gets us.
Okay.
A few moments later.
I'm going to go fly parallel with this road.
Love it. Good reference. Looking good.
Think.
Not much, okay. That's a wide runway.
Oh, yeah. A bit rough.
Rough. Alright, I got your flaps. Alright, full power, let's do it. Right rudder. And rotate. Hold that ride there. Good. Build that airspeed, climb. Nice. Little different sight picture, isn't it?
Yeah, that was weird. Sorry about that, Dad. Sorry about your back.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
I've seen worse. I've done worse.